Horses out of Pinay Beauty, pass to begin, down on the inside is Mika to take the lead. Mika, by out of line, can have Pinay Beauty in second, Gio Conte in third, moving up on the outside, top Mita, down on the inside, P. Porsum, then comes Djokovic, isa pa, and next in line is MJ the King, and that's still Mika, by about 2 lengths, Pinay Beauty in second, and in third, top main, down on the inside is Porsum, as they come down at the last 150, and that's still Mika, and on the outside is Pinay Beauty, Mika, still in front, Pinay Beauty is on the outside second, but it's still Mika, and finally, Mika, Pinay Beauty, then comes Porsum, number 6, top meet, number 2, isa pa.
Alright, so 19362 yung ating datingan.